What do you see when you see me? Do you see a person, a husband, a father, or do you see a refugee? I arrived here from Afghanistan thinking this is where my family would be safe and we could start living, create a better future. You have to work for everything. You have to work to survive. Then I saw an opportunity that this might be the right time to go back and get my high school diploma. I went to NexStep and I got enrolled in that. Saw some opportunities over there that was not only limited to the GED. I could get higher education. So I got those grades that were required, and then they sent me to WSU Tech, and now I am almost getting my associate degree. I came here to build something, settle down and make a life for us. My name is Aziz Ahmadzai.